Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am in Hong Kong right now. It's like one extra clear day I have got. मैं आज आई हूँ, सुबह 6:30 में लैंड हुई हूँ और होटल आते आते मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 9:30 हो गए थे. I have had my breakfast. मैं अभी रूम में आ गई हूँ. I just gave you all my room tour. I am amazed जिसने भी डिज़ाइन करा है. The room is very compact, but आपको फील नहीं होता कि it's very compact. You know, it's a brilliant design. आज तो मैं तो सोऊंगी and everybody will sleep. Evening maybe we'll go for a walk or something, and tomorrow we have some plan to go and visit the Buddha temple. It's like the world largest Buddha temple. We as a crew, we have our check-in bag is in our cabin bag, जिसमें हमारा like all the documents and necessary things will be there. In our check-in bag all our personal clothes will be there and all our personal stuff. Hong Kong में आने के बाद every crew got their bag. I did not got my bag. बेल्ट पे हमारे फ्लाइट के सारे बैग्स आ चुके थे. Now I was thinking the whole time that where is my bag? Almost 45 minutes we waited there for my bag. My bag was not coming. And bag से ज़्यादा मुझे मेरे कपड़ों की पड़ी थी because I had all my clothes in there to wear in my layover. Section जहाँ पे आपका बैग से रिलेटेड कुछ भी इशू है तो you go and ask them. We went there. I gave my the little tags also searching. एंड में लाइक इट वॉज ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर्ड कि इस फ्लाइट के सारे बैग्स आ चुके हैं बेल्ट पे. आफ्टर 15 मिनट ऑफ दैट माई बैग केम सिंगल एट द एंड वन बैग. Oh my god, I never felt that relief when I saw my bag. I was like, this layover could have turned into the worst nightmare for me. जो 50 मिनट का सेशन था ना उसमें I was panicking like hell, and of course I cannot show it because I was in my uniform, but at the end I got my bag, so I got lucky because सबने सोच लिया था कि इसका बैग या तो किसी ने उठा लिया है. Probably they think that it's their bag and किसी ने उठा लिया है, और मेरा बैग दिल्ली से आया ही नहीं है. So it was like very bad day to start my layover, but it was like ठीक है, अब everything is fine now, and I am like I'm very tired actually, and as you all can see my new pimple. So let's see, we are still in process to know where we are going and what we are going to do, so yeah, stay tuned. In evening we all decided to go for a walk. There is a mall nearby, तो हमने सोचा कि कुछ shopping कर ले, but to our surprise, the moment we stepped out, this was a typhoon alert going there, and we were so shocked. We were not informed about it. There was a typhoon alert. The whole city was shut completely. Even mall were getting shut. Waste. This river is waste. मेरा क्वेश्चन यही है कि आज ही तूफान आना था, कल दोपहर तक इस सुनामी का अलर्ट है. क्योंकि हर दुकान बंद हो रहा था टाइफून अलर्ट की वजह से, तो हमने सोचा कि मॉल से जाके खुद के लिए कुछ खाने के लिए ले लेते हैं. एंड वी वेंट टू दिस क्यूट लिटिल शॉप इन अ मॉल.
Vegetables. This vegetables. Also no meat.
Okay.
This one.
Egg is fine, but no beef or something.
Yeah, this one and the dry noodle.
Tomatoes, scrambled egg dry. Let's go. I don't know how to eat with this. मैंने एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी ऑयल मंगाया है. Pour on this, make it spicy. I hope. And am I holding it wrong? ये sharp edges लग रहे हैं. Should I hold it from there? But I think ये यहाँ से ना joint था. I think I'm holding it wrong.
नेक्स्ट डे ऑल्सो टाइफून अलर्ट वर देयर, इसलिए हम कहीं घूम तो नहीं पाए, लेकिन मॉल जाना हमने ज़रूरी समझा ताकि हम अपने लिए कुछ खाने के लिए ले लें. ऑल्सो वी डिसाइडेड टू रोम अराउंड एंड एक्सप्लोर द मॉल सिंस लास्ट नाइट वी कुड नॉट एक्सप्लोर इट सिंस all shop were closed due to typhoon alert. Also we saw some cute puppies and dogs.
Jellies. So I got these two. It's Dorai cake and mochi. I think this would be enough. I like this one as well. This looks spongy to me, so I'm buying this as well. So they have decorated it so nicely. It looks colorful. Yes. Although I can't eat anything. Look behind. No, not here, not here, not here, not here. I'm so scared of dogs. So I'm back in my room. वैसे तो मेरे इस लेओवर के साथ बहुत प्लान्स थे. लाइक आई वांटेड टू गो टू डिज्नीलैंड, आई वांटेड टू गो टू द बुद्धा टेम्पल, बट नो वेयर वी कुड गो क्योंकि कल इन लोगों ने शाम से ही टाइफून अलर्ट डाल दिया. तो होल सिटी वॉज इन रेड जोन. इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे शॉप्स भी बंद कर दिए, मॉल भी जल्दी जल्दी इन लोगों ने सारा बंद कर दिया. इनफैक्ट स्विमिंग पूल भी नहीं खुला है बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइफून. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ दिस बिकॉज मैं जितना समझ पाई हूँ कल टाइफून आ गया था रात को बिकॉज द होल सिटी इज स्कैर्ड. तो अभी हम गए थे, जस्ट वेंट टू द मॉल, बॉट सम food to eat or some grocery shopping. That's it. I am big sweet tooth. मैंने स्टोर से केवल मीठा मीठा ही ले आई थी. I had to borrow this noodle from my friend. It's a seafood noodle. I got this cake loaf. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. I bought this and Kit Kat. It's Nestle Kit Kat whole wheat chocolate. Okay. So I got this and I got this cake straight from the Doraemon show. I wanted to try. This has very ordinary taste. My goodness. I bought this is not so good. It's good. And here we go. This seafood Nissin cup noodle I'm trying for the first time. No, it's not Nissin though. It's good. It's not bad. They don't give fork here. I don't know for what reason. हांगकांग आने के बाद मैं कहीं घूम नहीं पाई, but it's okay. I hope I'll get it again and I can roam around and visit some good place in Hong Kong. So yep, I get some good sleep. So I got myself rice noodle with tofu, idli with mint chutney and sweet chutney. Then also I got the fried bun, omelette and fruits.
Since next day my flight got delayed by 4 hours, I managed to have my breakfast and then got ready and got up for flight. If you like this video, to subscribe it and see you all in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.